story of the Midland Reafforesting Association, MRA, is one of vision, dedication, and environmental activism. At a time when the Industrial Revolution had left the Black Country region of England severely degraded, the MRA was formed with the aim of facilitating reforestation and restoring the land to more productive uses.
The organization was formally established at a public meeting in the city of Birmingham on February 12, 1903.
The first president of the association was Sir Oliver Lodge, a distinguished physicist and pioneer of wireless telegraphy. Lodge's passion for nature and the environment led him to become involved in the MRA and provide its leadership with scientific guidance. The MRA's mission was to promote landscape enhancement, improve the local environment, and restore degraded land to more productive land uses. The organization did this by facilitating the planting of trees, promoting scientific research on reforestation, and holding events such as Arbor Days to raise awareness and encourage community involvement. The MRA's work was not limited to planting trees. The organization also worked with local landowners to promote sustainable land use practices. They encouraged the use of mixed farming and agroforestry systems that would help restore soil health and prevent further soil degradation. One of the MRA's most significant achievements was the establishment of its own nurseries, which allowed them to raise trees from seed and plant them on both private and council-owned land. The MRA's tree planting efforts were not only motivated by a desire to restore the land, but also by the belief that trees could play a crucial role in mitigating the impacts of industrial pollution and climate change. Despite some significant successes in promoting tree planting and furthering the scientific understanding of restoring degraded land, the MRA was ultimately largely unsuccessful in delivering large-scale afforestation in the Black Country. The organization was wound up in 1925, but their legacy lives on in their largest plantation, Moorcroft Wood, which was named a local nature reserve in 1996. Additionally, the Black Country Urban Forest Millennium project greatly increased tree cover in the Black Country between 1995 and 2005, building on the MRA's vision and continuing their work in a new era.